guys, I am Pooja and today we'll be talking about all things winter makeup. Okay, so it is getting pretty darn cold in Delhi, which means कि रज़ाई से निकलने का मन तो बिल्कुल करता ही नहीं है. अगर कहीं जाना हो, बाय चांस अगर आपने जाने का प्लान बना लिया हो, जो कि मैं हार्डली कर रही हूँ आजकल, बट अगर आपको कहीं पर भी जाना हो, थोड़ा सा भी पुट टुगेदर लगना हो, तो डूड दैट इज अ टास्क. बिकॉज रज़ाई से निकल के अपने आप को समझाना कि अब रेडी होना ही पड़ेगा इज अ वेरी बिग थिंग इन इटसेल्फ. सो अगर आप भी मेरे जैसे हैं, थोड़ा सा लेजी फील कर रहे हैं, दैट मीन्स कि आपके पास रेडी होने के लिए बहुत ही कम टाइम बचता होगा. सो हियर इज अ क्विक सुपर ईजी मेकअप लुक फॉर विंटर, विच इज द वन विच आई एम वेयरिंग ऑन माई फेस टुडे. It is all about dewy skin that looks glowing. A lot of this highlight, which some of it is natural and a lot of it is put on. So if you are interested in this makeup look, then yeah, I think we should just go into it, right?
Alright, so let's get started. I am of course starting with a clean face, and for good makeup you really have to moisturize your skin. I'm using my handy dandy Nivea. You know, I am obsessed with it. It is such a great moisturizer and you will see a huge difference in my skin just after the application. Now we're working on the lips. I am using my Nykaa's macaroon lip balm and I am ready. So starting with my MAC foundation, and I was clearly having problems here. I'm running out of the foundation. So anyways, I am using my MAC foundation Studio Fix, and I will be applying it all over my face and buffing it really well. Whenever you are lazy or you're getting late, I highly recommend using a brush because that will make your life much easier. You don't have to struggle as much, and of course bring it down your neck. Then I'm using my concealer. I believe this one is from NARS and it is a great concealer. Whenever you're getting late, always use the products that you know are going to work amazingly. Done with that, moving on to the blusher. So for winters, it is the best idea to use a cream blusher. This one is by Nude Sticks and it is a great formula. So I apply it on the back of my hand and stipple it all over my cheek. Not exactly all over. I am applying it almost where you apply your highlighter, just a little lower, also on the apples of the cheek. And I'm going to build it going upward so that my face looks a little, I would say, skinnier, and it gives a really nice windblown effect. Now I am using the same blush on my nose as well because that gives a really cool effect. Basically, you have to apply a blusher on the top of the cheek, on the apples of the cheek, on the nose, and whatever is left on your brush, apply it on the chin and a little bit on forehead. That looks really nice and natural, especially for the winter season. Blusher is the most important part of this look, so make sure you blend it very well, and I actually like to go a little overboard with blusher. Next, I'm coming in with my Laura Mercier transparent powder, and I am just going to apply it under my eye and on the areas where I do not have blusher, and my purpose is just to mattify my under eye to set the concealer. Whatever is left on the brush, I'm going to apply it on my face. Do not add more powder. You really want that dewiness to shine through. Okay, now it's time to add a little bit of color back to the face. I'm using a very light brown and very roughly I'm just going to bronze my face. I am in no way contouring. You just have to add color on the temples of your forehead just to make sure that you have that color. You don't look like a canvas, like blank. So add the color back. I'm also adding a little color, whatever is left on my brush, on my nose, and also a bit on the chin. Then I'm using the same color on a fluffy brush and using it to basically not contour the eye, but also to add a little bit of color on the eye. You can do it very roughly. You don't really need any time to do that. Using the smudgy side, I am going to smudge the same color under the eye. You really don't have to spend any time. It takes literally 2 minutes. Now that the base is almost ready, I am going to add highlighter. I love going overboard with highlighters in winters because it looks gorgeous. So I'm using that champagne kind of rose gold champagne kind of color and applying it, of course, on the high point of the cheek and also on the nose. Tip of the nose is very important for this look, so apply a little extra highlight on the tip of the nose and also the cupid's bow. Next, I'm done with my brows off camera because I just cannot do it on camera for some reason. Okay, Next, using the same color as eyeshadow, very little. You just need a little bit of glow on the eye, and we are done with the eyeshadow as well. Next, I am going to be adding a shitload of mascara. This is L'Oreal, I think it's called Voluminous Lashes. It is a great mascara, but oh my god, it is a nightmare to wash it off. But anyhow, I'm going to load my lashes up with the mascara, and there I have the look. Alright, next I am going to do my lips. I'm just using Spice by MAC lip liner. I will of course line my lips, but also fill it in with the same liner. This stays on forever. It is very creamy, very easy to use, and I absolutely love the color. So I'm going to go ahead, fill in the lips, and move to the last step. Alright, so now I'm almost done, and I am applying this gloss by The Body Shop. This is such a gorgeous gloss, and it looks fabulous on top of any lipstick. So I'm just going to add it because this look is all about that glow. Alright, so lastly, before heading out, I am just going to mist my face. This is by Smashbox, and it is such an amazing face mist. I am all ready now.
Okay guys, this was my super quick and easy winter makeup look. So in this look I literally did the things which I always do when I'm running out the door. Generally हम यही करते हैं ना कि लिपस्टिक से ब्लशर लगा लेते हैं, जो कि मैंने नहीं किया because I had cream blusher at hand, but I use my highlighter as eyeshadow, my bronzer as also as a little bit of shadow, whatever it is on my face. And yeah, so this is my look. I hope you liked it. If you did, प्लीज लाइक एंड कॉमेंट. एंड गाइज, आप लोग पता नहीं क्यों सब्सक्राइब नहीं कर रहे हैं. आई वॉज चेकिंग माई एनालिटिक्स एंड 97% ऑफ द पीपल हु वॉच माई वीडियोज हैव नॉट सब्सक्राइब्ड. इमेजिन, मेरे भी 7000 फॉलोअर है, और अगर 97% लोग और सब्सक्राइब कर लेंगे तो मेरे पास कितने सारे सब्सक्राइबर्स, फॉलोअर्स जो भी आप कहें वो हो जाएंगे, विच आई वुड लव टू हैव. So if you like my video, please subscribe and ask your moms and friends also to subscribe. So guys, that was all for today's video. I really hope you liked it and it was helpful in some way. So I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye.